Today I'm going to talk you through the 5 components that you're going to need to nail your latte art, both in your cafe or at home. Number 1, we're going to kick it off with coffee. You better have some good coffee. I'm going to today serve this on our Champion blend. Grab that. If you're in Australia, you can buy that. You need dark, nice, rich crema to pour through. So straight away, let's get our shot started. If you're using, a ratio that's not a good amount of coffee, you don't have any crema, straight away you're kind of making it hard for yourself. So we really want to make sure we've got a nice, rich espresso shot there. Today I'm even going to use a double ristretto for this one in a small 190ml cup. Now that is number 2. Your cup is really going to dictate the shape, the way that your milk and espresso combined and move through the cup. Now this is an Acme & Co 190ml cappuccino cup. We recommend them for our wholesale partners and our cafe partners. You can get them at home. You really want to get a nice bowl shape so when you're pouring, it actually moves through the milk and espresso. You can pour latte out in a takeaway cup, but because of the shape, it's a little bit harder. So good movement through the cup is my number 2. Number 3, it's got to be your jug. A cheap jug will be nasty, and sometimes a really big jug can actually make it a lot harder for you to pour latte out. Look out for something like this Runaware Stealth jug, nice and easy to work with. This is the 300ml. There is a 600, and I wouldn't go bigger than that for a latte art pouring jug. So there's some really nice expensive ones out there. Try the different spouts, but if you want to pour something more precise, it's that thin spout that you're looking for. So let's get some milk on. Make sure you've got some good quality, thick, full cream milk is always going to be better to pour on. Thin milk's a bit crappy. Now, number 3 has got to be your milk spinning technique. We've done a masterclass video on this. Luke did it. We'll put all the we'll put all the links in the description below. But you've got to be able to nail the spinning technique, the vortex, sucking those bubbles down, adding the air for the right amount of time. Because if your milk is frothy, you won't be able to get definition. If it's too thin, you also won't get a good mix of crema and milk. So your spinning technique is a big part of it. So small jug, I just want like latte art, so I've done about 3 to 4 seconds worth of air there. Make sure my temperatures turn off at about 50 degrees, get my 65, and we're good to go. So, remembering that we've got this espresso here now. I've been talking for a while, so my espresso shot's starting to oxidize and lose a bit, but that nice rich Champion crema is still there. Now my milk is all smooth. Now if I pour from here, it's not going to work, so make sure you spin. We don't want to see any of those blobs. We've all heard about those blobs. So this technique, this spinning, I want to make sure that's there, and then it's all about your pouring. So I've done a bunch of other videos. Again, we'll link to them below because I'm not going into it all now, but we want to make sure that we're using the right techniques. Break up the crema, make sure I don't have too much milk in my cup. I'm spun, break that up, angle my cup, blend my coffee and my espresso before I drop in, and I get my latte art and pull through. Beautiful. I can do that in my cafe, I can do it at home. Follow those steps and you'll get better at your latte art and you'll be loving it. From there, start to pour your tulips, pour swans, anything you want, but those 5 tips is what's going to help you nail your latte art next time. Do these tips for me, let you know if they work for you. Put it in the comments below if you've tried them. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got lots of new videos coming in the future. We're loving the community that we're building, so make sure you put the comments in there. We reply to them all, and we want to make sure that you're seeing all the videos, so hit the bell icon and the like button, and we'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.